Hello, this is something crazy. Over $300 worth of headphones just broke. My grandmother bought these sturdy JBL headphones with metal hinge, thinking they will be the most durable for the rest of her life, but nothing. But you are lucky, because I'm going to show you how to fix these JBL headphones and save a lot of money without buying new headphones. Hopefully you have saved this little part that is inside the headphone hinge. It will make the repair easier. It may also have slipped inside. You can shake it out. The next task is to find a screw of a diameter that fits in that hole, but it can't be too long and it can't too be short. The more accurate the size of the screw you find, the tighter everything will hold together. It is also important that the head of the screw fits inside this metal tube. I will be filing my screw a little to make it fit in this hole, because at the moment the screw diameter is a little too big. With a thin object, remove the plastic cover. Without it, it will be easier to assemble the headphones. Once you have found the screw and check that it fits, then put this half moon detail in place so that one side of the hinge is locked in place. Then add super glue and screw the screw into the super glue. Push the glue over the top and move the clinch so that the glue gets into all the free spaces. Then get some baking soda from the kitchen and add it on the top of the super glue. This hack creates instant cement. Then use your grandmother toothbrush to remove the extra baking soda. Again apply a little more glue and add baking soda. Your goal is to fill this metal tube to the top with instant cement. Then tape around the instant cement. Take your grandmother's nail polish and apply it to make the headphones look better. If you don't feel bad about the look of the instant cement, you can skip this step. Remove the tape and that's the final look. At the end, don't forget to put in the cap you removed earlier. That's the result. Working headphones and several $100 saved. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to post them below this video. Bye.